Most powerful solar flares occurred this week to begin the peak of solar cycle 25 to continue through September or October. The sun is the benevolent king of our solar system and the source of purification and new life. Even though the sun can feel harsh, the inner sun is beautiful and pure according to the ancient masters. Expect bigger seismic and volcanic activity and more revolutionary and fertile times. The intense solar flares always bring revolutionary uprising and increased fertility so that more benevolent souls are born onto the planet to contribute to our evolution. Fertility in all of life increases. Events on Earth intensify, such as lack of peace, social unrest, changes in the social system, and revolution. Gold prices are rising. Beware of scandals. Do your daily spiritual work. Stay extra hydrated. Take extra care of the blood to keep it purified and moving. Do your inner work to purify your bloodline and your legacy. Sleep may not come as easily. Thank the sun for bringing good changes. Nothing is in vain.